Hi, I'm Mom and welcome to Momda's Life Handmade. My channel is all about doing lots and lots of DIYs, high-end dupes and trash to treasure. Everything that is related to home within budget. If you like such content and are new here, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below and also the ringing bell icon beside it so that you're notified each time I post a new video. Today I'm really excited and happy to be participating in the DIY collab that is being hosted by my dear friends Jani and Diane from Deco Easy along with my other friends, 6 friends from YouTube. I'll put links to the playlist which contains all our videos related to fall and DIY and decor playlist in the description box of this video. I shall put link to Deco Easy's channel in the description box and tag all the other collaborators. This is fun to do a collab with great friends here on YouTube. So thanking Yanni and Diane, let's start my today's DIY, followed by which I will decorate a space and show you how I've placed my DIY in it. My inspiration is this pumpkin door plaque by Wayfair, sold for original price of 69.99 US dollars, and with 6% off it is now available for 65.99 US dollars. It is cute, lively and beautiful, but too expensive. So let's make it. I started this DIY by taking a piece of cardboard. I love cardboard crafts. One can even use foam board or hardboard to work with. Next, using a pencil, I drew the 4 pumpkins with the stalk but without the leaves or the sunflower. Next, I cut it out using a sharp knife. It can be time and effort taking, but still easier to work with than wood. Next, I took some pretty paper of my choice and cut out and trimmed out each pumpkin pattern and glued them in place. For the centermost large pumpkin, I am using black chalkboard paint. I chose my own set of paper and made sure that the colors coordinate and also that the central pumpkin stands out amongst them. Now I thought the stalks will look better in black, so I even painted the pumpkin stalks black to make them more prominent. Next I took a green cardstock paper and drew some leaves, cut them out and shaded them using some yellow and green crayons, and even highlighted the inside veins with the green felt pen, which you will see later on in the DIY process. Then I glued them onto the pumpkin stalk as is seen in my inspiration piece. For the sunflower, I took a circular piece of yellow paper and cut it to resemble sunflower. From a black cardstock paper, I cut out a round center. Next, using yellow or orange felt pens, I shaded the flower. Next, just glued them in place. Oops! One final thing. The white glow on the top of pumpkin, which I made later by gluing a piece of paper cut in the shape. And so here is my Wayfair inspired $69.99 worth DIY made for free. Now let's decorate a space. I'm really sorry for the background noise. It's pouring since morning. It's wet everywhere, and I got up in the morning and I decided to just draw this chalkboard. It just came into my mind that I can sketch on a chalkboard. As a child, I always enjoyed scribbling on a chalkboard or a blackboard. It was so much fun. I enjoyed collecting different kinds of chalks, colored ones, white ones. Nowadays, the children are not so excited, though they enjoy doing it, but now they have whiteboards, computers, big screens. But I still love that old world charm of writing with a chalk on a black surface. We got this chalkboard mainly for teaching children at home, and it's really useful. I even use it for keeping notes, and this is usually placed in my command center. And today when I woke up in the morning, I thought it would be great to make a sign of my own on this board. This is not exactly black, it's deep green, and I just decided to write down with the white chalk. I thought of just writing the word gather, make a little frame with some twigs and draw some leaves, different kinds of leaves for the season which are falling, some leaves getting blown in the air, and how can we forget the pumpkins. Next I decided to decorate the space a little the way one would do the mantelpiece. So I brought in a few items, thought over it and brought some more items, and after a while I got the space decorated. I even brought out the two luminaries that I made for the fall in last year's season, and I love them. The leaves, the glow is so beautiful. I have kept them and I use it season after season. I love how this chalkboard sign has come up. The leaves, autumn leaves, the gather sign inside the frame, it's like a wreath. Here are more different types of leaves and some pumpkin harvest. I think this looks beautiful as a chalkboard sign. Here are some bead sharp that I had grown in my garden and I use it for decor in this plain white base. A candle over a stack of books which spell out autumn in the colors. My autumn luminaries I made last year, you'll find them in the playlist for fall, and I have placed candle in one and some flowers in the other. My rolling pin for fall, and here is my today's DIY. I think this is cute. My rolling pin was rolled over and there was no writing over it, so here is the writing which says thankful. Few collection of florals in the fall colors and leaves here, and a little pumpkin. It's made out of a dried fruit and I just added a stalk over it and painted it over. A little garland always makes a place happy. I think this looks beautiful as a decor with chalkboard. There are 2 chalkboards in here and I think it looks beautiful. Do let me know what you think about my today's DIY as well as my decor. The chalkboard sign, I believe everybody will like it. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you everybody who joined this collab. It was a great gathering. I'll see you very soon in my next DIY video. Until then, be positive, be creative and be happy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.